Yes, hello, my name is Maurice, the crochet master, and today I have something very simple I want to show you, and just step by step, like I'm going to be styling natural hair. Yeah, it was somehow short, but I'm going to make it look nice. So I want you to follow me each step by step so that you can see my transformation at the end. Um, I'm as I'm doing this, please try to subscribe on my YouTube channel because I always upload videos, yes, for you to learn. So my client had her hair was a little bit brownish, so I had to apply a black shampoo like the way she asked for me to do it. So I'm applying black shampoo and I make sure that it reaches in every corner of her hair. So when I'm done washing, you have seen how I've done the washing, then applying the black shampoo as you're saying. So the process still continues. Like I first wait for 10 minutes, then I try to massage. I keep on massaging. As you can also see, the color is now coming. It is changing the color, and this is what we want. So I'm doing this. I want to show you like how you can style your hair, no matter how it is short it is, but you can style it. So after I'm rinsing out the black shampoo, as you're saying, like the way it was, I'm rinsing it all out so that I prepare my hair to start styling. So this is it. Yeah, so when I'm done, this is blow drying. Remember, when you're blow drying the natural hair, you don't put heat in it. It's just drying with the air from the dryer. And here it's very very important, like to cut the tips of the hair. Most people refuse, but it's very very good to cut those tips. So when your hairdresser tells you that, please don't try to refuse because it's good for your hair. So when I'm done cutting my tips, as you can see, still I'm preparing my hair to be styled. So I want you to keep on following me step by step so that we learn this together. Yeah, and please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and other social medias like Facebook, Instagram, and even our website is there, www.hairzippers.com. Here it is, I'm starting my styling, and this time for in order for her styling to stay like for a week, yes, a week it can. I'm trying to I'm going to hold, like I'm going to hold each portion like the way I want it to style. So I'm holding each portion that I cut. So I want you to look at me very very carefully so that you can also learn how to do it yourself. Yes. So in like every step I take, I make sure that I apply the gel. As you're saying, like I'm applying the gel, and excuse me, I'm applying the gel. As you can see, like every portion that I cut, I apply the gel. As you're saying, yes. So this is it. I'm trying to make it hold firm. So when we're done with that, remember I told you for us at Hair Zipper we work as a team, and some of my students can be there seeing how I'm doing this. And it's the same thing that you can also you can also watch it on my YouTube channel as you're learning more. If you can't reach me here where I am, so I'm still applying the eco gel. As you're seeing, like every line that I've cut, I've applied my eco gel. So I'm putting her in the dryer for like 5 to 7 minutes so that my gel can be firm. So when I'm done, I'm starting my styling. Yes, so the styling, I just got some little extension of natural hair so that I can style it and matches with the look of her hair. So this is what I'm doing. Follow me step by step as we're doing this together. Yes, I love you so much, and keep subscribing being Hair Zipper for more hairstyles coming. I promised you that I'm going to show you like each and every hairstyle that you will need, because I myself I can do anything anything concerning about hair. So just follow these steps. Yes, here mostly when you're styling, this is very important. Like, make sure your pins are invisible. Yeah, those are the laws of styling. Like, don't make your pins visible. Make them invisible. Like, they're not supposed to be seen. So it's what I'm doing. Like, in every corner, I'm doing it. Like, I'm not making it visible. Yes, I'm just hiding everything. So I keep on doing it as you're saying. Yes. I think you can see how I'm doing everything. And when I'm done, you can see I'm just going to apply some little makeup. I don't usually put a lot of makeup on people with natural because always want to remain natural. So it's just the eyebrows and the lipstick. Yes, you can see she's very simple and good to go. So don't forget subscribe. Hair Zipper. I love you.